Wood logs have been used in furniture making for centuries, admired for their strength, natural beauty, and timeless charm. In today's design world, the use of raw logs has evolved from purely functional purposes into an artistic expression that celebrates nature's authenticity. When a wood log is transformed into furniture, it carries with it the story of the tree it once was. Its rings tell of time, growth, and endurance. This organic connection between nature and craftsmanship makes log-based furniture pieces not just household items, but living works of art that infuse warmth and character into any space. From rustic cabins to modern minimalist homes, furniture crafted from logs can adapt to almost any interior style, bringing balance between raw natural texture and refined design. Hello there. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, where we celebrate the beauty of nature and craftsmanship coming together in perfect harmony. In today's video, Nature Reimagined creative wood log furniture and rustic decor design ideas, we are diving deep into one of the most inspiring trends in interior design, using natural wood logs to craft furniture and decor that bring warmth, authenticity, and soul into your living space. This isn't just about furniture. It's about storytelling through natural materials, connecting your home to the timeless beauty of the earth itself. Wood logs, in their most natural form, carry a charm that no factory-made material can replicate. Every knot, grain, and curve tells a story of time, growth, and resilience. When you transform a log into a piece of furniture, you're not just creating something to fill a room, you're preserving a piece of nature's artistry. The organic patterns and imperfections of the wood add a sense of individuality that turns ordinary interiors into truly personal spaces. That's what makes log furniture so special. It's raw and refined, rustic and elegant. Imagine walking into a living room where the centerpiece is a solid wood log coffee table, polished just enough to reveal its intricate grain patterns, but still retaining its natural edges. It instantly becomes a conversation piece, something that feels alive and connected to nature. Or picture a cozy reading nook with a log side table beside a comfortable armchair, topped with a soft lamp that casts a warm glow over the textured surface. These small details can completely transform a space, giving it a grounded, organic aesthetic that feels both modern and timeless. The versatility of wood logs in furniture making is one of their greatest advantages. They can be shaped into a wide variety of pieces such as tables, chairs, benches, bed frames, and shelves. A single log can be sliced into slabs for sleek tabletops, or hollowed out to form sculptural stools and side tables. When used in its natural form, the log retains its irregular edges and unique imperfections, adding a sense of authenticity and individuality to each creation. Craftsmen often prefer species like oak, walnut, pine, and cedar due to their durability, texture, and rich grain patterns. The use of live edges, where the natural contour of the log is preserved, has become especially popular in contemporary furniture, offering a perfect blend of rustic charm and modern sophistication. Beyond aesthetics, the use of wood logs in furniture making promotes sustainability when done responsibly. By utilizing reclaimed logs or wood sourced from fallen trees, artisans reduce waste and minimize environmental impact. This approach not only honors the natural life cycle of the material, but also supports eco-conscious living. Log furniture tends to be long-lasting, and with proper care, it can endure for generations. Unlike mass-produced plastic or metal furnishings, each piece of log furniture develops a patina over time, aging gracefully, and gaining more character with use. This sense of permanence and connection to nature is one of the reasons many homeowners are turning toward log-based designs to create inviting, grounded living spaces. The craftsmanship involved in turning a raw log into furniture is both technical and artistic. Each cut, joint, and polish requires a deep understanding of the wood's properties, its grain direction, moisture content, and density. Traditional hand carving techniques are often combined with modern woodworking tools to achieve precision while maintaining the organic feel of the material. Finishes like natural oils or beeswax are preferred to enhance the wood's natural grain while protecting it from moisture. The result is furniture that exudes authenticity and timeless appeal, reflecting the artisan's respect for nature's raw materials. At Kuki Decor, we believe that every home deserves a touch of nature. And wood log decor is one of the most authentic ways to bring that essence indoors. From handcrafted benches made out of single logs to intricate log shelving units that hold books, plants, and keepsakes, there's an endless array of creative possibilities. Even simple touches, like a log candle holder, or a slice of wood used as a serving tray, can add an organic charm that transforms your atmosphere. Halfway through this video, we'd love to remind you to subscribe to Kuki Decor if you're passionate about natural design, woodworking, and creative home decor ideas. We upload daily videos filled with inspiration, from rustic furniture projects to eco-friendly design tips. So, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of nature-inspired creators and design lovers. Now, let's explore a few standout ideas for incorporating wood logs into your home decor. One of the most beloved styles is the live-edge furniture trend, where the natural contours of the log are preserved. This creates a perfect balance between raw beauty and functional design. A live-edge log dining table, for example, becomes more than just a place to eat, it becomes a piece of art that embodies the untouched beauty of nature. The same goes for live-edge wall shelves, which add a touch of wild elegance to any modern interior. Another beautiful idea is transforming logs into lighting features. A hollowed-out log can become a stunning rustic lamp base, while stacked mini logs can create unique pendant lights or chandeliers. The combination of warm wood tones and gentle lighting brings a cozy, organic glow to any room, perfect for creating a welcoming atmosphere. For outdoor spaces, log furniture works wonders too. A large wooden log bench placed in a garden or on a porch creates a peaceful spot to relax and enjoy the outdoors. When paired with stone paths, potted plants, and soft cushions, it becomes an inviting sanctuary where nature meets comfort. You can also use logs as natural stools around a fire pit, blending function with rustic aesthetics. Wood log decor doesn't stop at furniture. It extends beautifully into wall art and accent pieces. Imagine a large section of a polished log used as a wall-mounted sculpture, or smaller log slices arranged in patterns to create stunning wall panels. These artistic touches add depth, warmth, and natural texture to otherwise plain walls, making your home feel more alive and connected to the outdoors. Another wonderful way to use logs is by incorporating them into bathroom or bedroom designs. A log vanity base topped with a smooth stone sink can turn an ordinary bathroom into a luxurious spa-like retreat. In the bedroom, a log bed frame or nightstand can create a calming, earthy vibe that promotes relaxation. The natural textures and warm tones of the wood help create an atmosphere of peace and serenity, something that's often missing in the fast-paced modern world. What truly makes wood log furniture and decor so captivating is its timelessness. Trends come and go, but natural wood never loses its charm. Its durability ensures that each piece lasts for years, and as it ages, it gains even more character. The small cracks, deepened color, and evolving patina tell a story of time and use, reminding us that imperfection is part of beauty. This philosophy aligns beautifully with the Japanese concept of wabi-sabi, which celebrates the imperfect, the transient, and the natural. At Kuki Decor, we see wood log furniture not just as design elements, but as living art forms that bring emotional warmth and natural energy into your space. Every curve, line, and texture of the wood represents a moment in nature's creation process. Whether it's a rugged, unfinished surface or a meticulously polished one, log furniture connects us back to what truly matters: simplicity, authenticity, and harmony with the environment. If you're thinking about adding wood log elements to your home, start small. Try incorporating a log stool, a side table, or a set of rustic wall shelves. Over time, you can build your decor around these natural elements, layering textures with soft fabrics, greenery, and warm lighting. This gradual approach allows your home to evolve organically while staying true to your personal style. And here's another friendly reminder: if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to Kuki Decor for more daily inspiration. We are here to share creative ideas that make your home beautiful, sustainable, and full of natural charm. Your support helps us continue crafting and sharing these design journeys with you every day. As we wrap up today's exploration of wood log furniture and rustic decor, remember this: when you bring nature into your home, you're not just decorating, you're creating a sanctuary. Every log, every grain, and every handcrafted piece becomes a reminder of the world beyond our walls. It's about slowing down, appreciating the beauty and simplicity, and connecting with the environment that sustains us. Wood log furniture isn't just a style, it's a lifestyle. It reflects a return to authenticity, to handcrafted quality, and to mindful living. Whether your taste leans toward rustic farmhouse, boho chic, or modern minimalism, wood log decor has a way of harmonizing with any aesthetic, adding soul and warmth where it's needed most. Thank you for watching Kuki Decor. If you found inspiration in this video, please like, comment, and share your favorite log furniture ideas below. We'd love to hear which designs inspired you most. And remember, we upload new videos every day filled with natural, creative, and sustainable decor ideas. So stay connected, stay inspired, and let nature's beauty guide your home design journey. Until next time, keep creating, keep dreaming, and let your home tell the story of nature reimagined.